Guys, did you know that David Ramsey was getting sued for $150 million? Wow, this is a shocker because you are an OG in the financial creator space, and this is shocking even me. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step of all the tea and why this is one of the biggest shocks in the financial creators community. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about Dave Ramsey and his $150 million lawsuit. But before we get into the video, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. It also allows YouTube to push our content within an algorithm that allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. This video is interesting to say the least because $150 million lawsuit is very interesting for David Ramsey, and it's not any person that's just suing him for, for shits and giggles. This lawsuit seems pretty serious, and it looks like a lot of victims lost millions of dollars in the process of this. So let me explain a little bit more. So Dave Ramsey have an article with the CBS News, and it basically says this: Dave Ramsey, a Christian radio host and a personal finance guru, faces a $150 million lawsuit filed by some listeners on the show who alleged that they were defrauded by a timeshare exit company that have advertised on his program. So David Ramsey has basically allegedly always produced content basically talking about how he do not like timeshares as an investment option. He basically said that it was not a good option in his opinion, and he had a company that worked on getting people out of the contracts of their timeshare contracts long term, and the company allegedly paid Dave Ramsey to basically promote their services on his channel. So the suit filed in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Washington in April claims Ramsey received more than $30 million between 2015 and 2021 to promote timeshare exit team on the Dave Ramsey Show. The Washington State-based company, which now operates as Reed Hine and Associates, allegedly promised to help customers terminate their timeshare contracts, which are notoriously difficult to exit. Reed Hine charged between $4,000 to $72,000 for illusory services, according to the complaint, which alleged customers paid a total of $70 million in fees for people to be released from their timeshares. The suit said timeshare exit team failed to help customers and instead employed false statements and delay tactics to starve off the customer's realization that they were being defrauded. The complaint also alleged Ramsey promoted deceptive, false, and incomplete information in violation of consumer protection laws while personally earning $450,000 a month from the deal. The litigation names the Radio Stars company, Ramsey Solutions, and his marketing company, Happy Hour Media Group, as defendants. Neither Ramsey nor his company replied to CBS Money Watch request for a comment. Timeshare exit shut down in 2021 after agreeing to pay $2.6 million in settlement over its deceptive promises, Washington State Attorney General Bob Ferguson said at the time. Guys, this is serious, and the news actually released an article on this as well, and basically it said this. So guys, this is something that's going to be ongoing, and I will keep you guys updated on the process of the case, but I honestly think that this is big. I never knew that that Dave Ramsey was making this much money just by promoting services on his platform, and this time it looked like he picked a loser. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Do you think that this is something that Dave Ramsey is going to come back from? Do you think that Dave Ramsey is in the right only because it was just marketing opposed to actually being the company that did the defrauding? Let me know in the comments. This case in this situation is interesting to say the least, especially in the financial creative space. And let me know in the comment section, have you listened to any of Dave Ramsey theories and applied them to your life as well, guys? Until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.